Consultation fees are automatically filled for every visit following the amount set in consultation fees by time. The consultation fees can also be customized for each panel. To get started, go to the admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click Consultation fees by time. This is the base consultation fee that will be used during normal clinic/office hours. To change the base consultation fee, change the amount here. Base consultation fee will be automatically used during normal clinic/office hours and cannot be changed here. The area in yellow is the clinic's normal clinic/office hours. In this example, the normal clinic/office hours are from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. A is the start of the day, fixed at 12 midnight. E is the end of the day, fixed at 12 midnight as well. C is the start of normal clinic/office hours. D is the end of normal clinic/office hours. C to D are the normal clinic/office hours, and normal consultation fees will be followed, as set in base consultation fee. If the clinic operates 24h or beyond normal/office hours, two set of periods can be set before the normal operating/office hour, A to B is one period, and B to C is another period. Both A to B and B to C periods are optional. Enter the consultation fee for period A to B here. Enter the consultation fee for period B to C here. After the clinic's normal operating/office hours, period D to E can be set. This is also optional. Enter the consultation fee for period D to E here. Charge mode B is used when the cost of the medicines are transferred to the consultation fees to make the medicine's prices cheaper. In charge mode B, the consultation fees cannot be changed in the patient page. However, for periods outside of normal/office hours, the consultation fees will be increased by the percentages specified here. For example, if the consultation fees calculated by the system is Rm100, for period A to B, Rm150 will be entered as consultation fees, 150%. Click Add/Edit to save the changes. In Panels page, the consultation fees can be customized for patients of a particular panel. After searching and selecting the panel, tick Edit to allow edit. Click Time-based consultation fee. For this panel, the consultation fees set here will be used only if the patient has been tagged to this panel during registration. The consultation fees here will be filled up automatically following the information saved in consultation fees by time. This auto-filled amount can still be changed by the doctor, only for charge mode A. Charge mode is indicated here, A or B. Consultation fees for panel, if saved in the panel page, will only apply if the patient has been tagged to the panel. If no panel is shown here, it means this visit is not tagged to any panel. That's it. You're done.